Hey everyone, it's Mike here. Another vlog. Let's see what's new at Trader Joe's. So here we are on a Friday morning. Let's go. Let's see what's new at Trader Joe's. Here we are at the produce section. Bananas, organic, still 29 cents. Beautiful, beautiful flowers here. Some cantaloupes at $3.49. Tuscan for $3.99. Pineapple. See if we can find any Dubai chocolates.
It actually sounds good. Ellie, get the sushi. It's so good.
Let's check out the coffee, the ground coffee here. Joe's Dark Coffee, $6.99. Oh, we got some sparkling guava juice beverage for $3.99. Kahawa, $9.99. Medium roast. Okay. Let's see, we got some turkey club wrap. Salad set. Salad. California roll sushi. Chicken nuggets, chicken breast, spicy chicken nuggets, lasagna, chicken piccata, some fettuccine mushroom, there you go. Healthy choice. Some tofu. Chimichurri sauce, and some pesto sauce. And of course, my favorite guacamole for $4.49. There you go. Organic guacamole. Some mango habanero guac, $3.49. Oh, check out more of the burrito, egg white burrito, pollo asada burrito. Salsa verde, carnitas. Oh, excuse me. Carnival Fun Cake Fries for $4.99. Got some Korean japchae fried rice for $3.99. Seafood boil. We got some black sesame mochi. And got this last time. Pretty good. I highly recommend the pistachio and fior di latte gelato style frozen dessert. We got some Trader Joe's is that strawberry? Strawberry, yes it is. We got the hot honey fudge. We got some, oh yeah, I gotta try this, potato chips. Hot honey popcorn. And we got the all things cookie. Got the Carolina Gold peanut butter pretzels. Breaded chicken, nuggets, tenderloin thighs, chicken wings. Chicken wings, skewers, chicken strips, turkey meatballs, party meatballs. Some beef short ribs, beef bulgogi. I'm gonna grab one of those for $11.99. Turkey burgers, salmon burger. This is the shrimp bao, halibut, nuggets, fish sticks, salmon. Atlantic salmon, fillet, some swordfish. This is a blend of shrimp, ring, calamari, and scallops. Argentinian shrimp, the red shrimp. Chicken mole, red bean rice and cheese burrito. Birria, beef birria. How much is that one? $7.99. Cuban style. We got the bulgogi. $4.99. That's a good deal. Vegetable masala burger. The vegan tikka masala. Chicken. Vindaloo. Chicken. Tikka masala and the butter chicken. And some samosas. Some tandoori naan. Garlic naan. Falafel. Oh yeah, the roti with Thai red curry. That's gotta be good. Gyoza dipping sauce. Toffee chips and a big old pound of chocolate. Oops, made a mess. Chicken fried rice. Japanese style fried rice. Vegetable fried rice. Korean rice ball. Tteokbokki. That's the Korean spicy stir-fried rice cakes. Shrimp noodles. Fried shrimps and veggie. Thai green curry. Japchae. Ginger shrimp lo mein. Chicken chow mein, beef and broccoli. Kung pao chicken. Way down here. Shiitake mushroom. Teriyaki chicken. Burrito bowl. And mandarin orange chicken. You got your dark chocolate pretzel, peanut butter cups. All right, go to the next aisle. Oh, they got some sparkling strawberry juice and strawberry kettle popcorn, chocolate drizzled strawberry for $3.49. Oh, we're at the ice cream section. You got your sugar cones. Sprinkle some of that. Sprinkle jangles. Ube tea cookies. Not a fan of those. Ube jojos. I don't really taste the ube in those. That's your French vanilla ice cream. French vanilla mint chip. This one is the ultra chocolate coffee bean cookie butter pistachio. Oh, you got the ube. Might have to get that if it's any good. $3.79. Cheesecake, horchata, cookie dough, chocolate made with coconut milk, and then the strawberry again. We got some ice cream and drumsticks. Oh, how about this one? Is that okay?
What's that one?
Mini cheesecake cones. You gonna get some ice cream? Brownie. This one looks good. How much is that one? $4.79. Yeah, get that. Get this one too. And ice cream sandwiches. It is warm here in California. Well, it's been a little chilly in the Bay Area, but now it's warming up again. Mango cream, mango mochi. Got some green tea, mochi and mango. Strawberry, vanilla, blood orange, ube mochi. Have we tried that ube mochi? Okay, we were not gonna buy it, says Mylene. It's okay. I think we have tried it. It wasn't good. French macarons. A dozen macarons. We got some Japanese souffle cheesecake. How about the souffle cheesecake? And the chocolate cheesecake bites. Some s'mores. Oh, the tiramisu. I bought that last time. Oh yeah, thanks. We got some cake, ganache, chocolate ganache cake. Key lime pie. I haven't tried that. The New York style cheesecake. Right there. Strawberry and cream. You got your blue agave syrup. Where is that price? Oh, not bad. $2.99. Your maple syrup. There it is, $4.99. You got your organic mango, frozen fruit section now. Your organic acai bowl, $3.99. Oatmeal, mini pancake puffs, the bubble waffles. Oh yeah, first time I see this one. Blueberry waffles. The bubble waffles for $4.99. Silver dollar pancakes. Dutch griddle cakes. The croissant, chocolate croissant, mini croissants. Got your biscotti. Some more biscotti. More biscotti. Ketchup. And you got your tortilla Spanish omelets with potatoes and onions. Chicken, buffalo style chicken poppers. Pastry pops. Chicken pot pie. Mini cheeseburgers. Some mac and cheese, $2.99. Mac and cheese bites, sure. Some lasagna. Right there. More of that. Some risotto. pasta, more on the pasta section. Let's move on. Oh, cookie thins. Carolina Gold barbecue chips for $2.69. All right, let's head over here to the bread section, crackers, and cereal section. We went ahead and picked up the dark chocolate ganache cake, the sheet cake for $5.49. Got some blueberry muffins, the chocolate babka. That's pretty good, $5.99. Danish almond rings, banana bread, vegan banana bread. And we got the brioche waffles. We got the brokey brownies, $4.99. Vegan chocolate chip. Half moon cookies. Where am I pointing this thing? The chocolate, sea salt chocolate chunk cookies. And we are at the granola section. Joe's O still $1.99. Honey O's $2.69. We got some organic panda puffs, $3.49. Chocolate croissants, butter croissants, and the cinnamon swirl bread for $4.99. Okay. Peanut butter cups for $5.99. Dark chocolate covered almonds, $7.49. And we are at the wine section, folks. All right. And I went all the way around the entire store already. So we got some chops, beef sticks for $1.99. We got some candy coated peanuts for $3.29. Chocolate bar for $2.29. Some gummies for $1.99. All right. I go ahead and look for Mylene. I'll be right back. All right, we are done here at Trader Joe's. And I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next spot. But yeah, so appreciate you guys joining in, and thank you for watching. As always, appreciate it. And so like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you till the next one. Peace.